Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this recipe. I call it bread burger. Back then in Nigeria, when I feel like eating Burger King and I don't have the money, I'll just do this to console myself. So just add your onions, add your green pepper, add your hot pepper, then put your Maggi and salt and then give it a stir. This is one of my best breakfast recipe. I never get tired of having it every morning. So after mixing your egg, put it aside. Next is to mash your mackerel fish. Now you can use any fish of your choice. You can use sardine or whichever fish you have at home. It's still going to come out perfectly well. When you're done matching the fish, you bring back your egg and mix them together. So after mixing the egg, next is to put your sunflower oil in the pot and then pour in your mixture. Do not scramble the egg. Just leave the egg to boil a little and then turn it gently. So once you're done frying the egg, put it aside and then it is time to cut your agege bread. If it's not agege bread, it can never be complete. So for this recipe to work, you have to buy agege bread. So I'm cutting the head of the bread and the other side of the head. So because I really want it to look like burger. So when you cut the bread, take your egg and place on top of the bread and then cover it. That is it. So guys, check it out. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and let's be friends, okay? Bye.